This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sticky keys in Ubuntu. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable sticky keys, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to where you see the little gear wheel, and I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see it says Accessibility, and click on Accessibility. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Typing. Then you'll scroll down, and right here, Sticky Keys. By default, it is probably not enabled, but to enable it, you would just toggle this on. And then it gives you a couple more options here. Disable if two keys are pressed together. You have the option whether to enable that or disable it. And beep when modifier key is pressed. You can toggle that on or off. And to disable sticky keys, you would just toggle this off right here. That is how to enable or disable sticky keys in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.